And of course, tomorrow, we get to hear what Costco is seeing from consumers. Here with a preview of what's to come is Yahoo Finance's very own Brooke DiPalma. Hey, Brooke.
Good morning, Rochelle. That's right. The consumer spending power is really in question here as we look to Costco after the bell tomorrow, their fiscal second quarter results, and consumers really look to seek value, and their spending power is perhaps challenged in this inflationary environment. But taking a larger picture here, if you take a look at what analysts expect on the street, revenue is expected to see $55.58 billion. Adjusted earnings per share expected to be $3.20. Now, same-store sales expected to get a boost here. Once again, consumers looking to get more bang for their buck, looking to get more value. So sales overall expected to be 6%. Now, international sales expecting to boost that number. International alone is expected to see a 7.10% increase. Here in the U.S., up more than 5%. Now, if we take a deeper dive into exactly what Wall Street is keeping a closer eye on and looking for in these quarterly results is really a consumer spending shift. As you were noting before, Kohl's, Lowe's seeing consumer spending shifts, but we saw this largely in Target and Walmart's earnings. We saw that consumers are skipping over those discretionary items like electronics, apparel, and things of that nature, and shifting to more food, fresh, and miscellaneous items like maybe that, a quick grab of a chapstick on their way out of the store. In addition to that, perhaps consumers shifting to private labels on their way out, saying, okay, I have a few dollars left. Doesn't make sense for me to get that private label that's perhaps $1 cheaper. Also in focus is that potential membership increase. We see Costco tend to increase their membership fees every 5.5 years. That would bring us to January of 2023.
So then you have to wonder then, as consumers are trying to figure out where to cut costs then, how does Costco's current membership fee compare to others?
Yeah, well, when you take a look at all of the wholesale retailers, of course, all of them hoping to bring in more consumers here as more of them seek value. Costco tends to be on the higher end of things. As you can see right here, it's $60 for a Gold Star membership, $120 for their executive membership. That's more than Sam's Club and BJ's. It's important to note here that Sam's Club did increase their membership fees back in August, up from $45 to $50 and $105 to $110. But important to note here as well that Costco does hold more than half of the market share when it comes to wholesale retailers here. So really perhaps setting a precedent for what exactly it expects of its consumers. Of course, it is an international operation, whereas Sam's Club and BJ's is mostly here in the U.S. But ultimately, at the end of the day, Wall Street's pretty optimistic that customers are going to Costco for more bang for their buck in this inflationary environment.
And we'll have to see if that customer loyalty sticks. Great stuff there, Brooke DiPalma. Thank you so much.